Please introduce yourself.
My name is Manoj Kumar tamang. Uh, I am 37 years old. I am from Chandagari, Jhapa.
Are you married? You have children? How old are your kids?
Yes, I am married. Yes, I have children. 12 years old.
Do you drink or smoke?
No, sir.
How many classes do you graduate?
I am 8 pass, sir.
Do you have a qualification certificate?
Yes, sir.
What is your working experience?
I work as a kitchen helper, sir.
What were your duties at your previous workplace?
To cut vegetables, cleaning of kitchen.
Do you have any experience outside of your country?
Yes, I have in India 3 years.
Why do you want to come to Romania?
uh, to earn money and to support my family because this country is beautiful.
Do you have any relatives in Romania?
No, sir.
What kind of jobs do you want to do?
Helper, sir. I want to do as a kitchen helper, sir.
How many hours a day did you work at your last job?
Uh, 10 horse. It have 4 days off.
Are you agree to stay overtime?
Yes, I am agree to stay overtime.
Are you medically fit? Do you have any chronic diseases or surgeries?
Uh, yes, I am medically fit and no, sir.
For how many years would you stay in Romania if you are selected?
I will stay more than 4 to 5 years if I selected.
Show me your skills.